workshop on effective teaching skills. On 2nd July, our school hosted a one-day workshop in collaboration with Full Marks Publication. Renowned educationist Mr. Anjan Ganguly led the session, guiding over 150 teachers on 21st century teaching methods and classroom strategies.
Nursery coloring competition. Tiny tots of nursery fill the day with colors during a fun-filled coloring competition, boosting their creativity and motor skills.
The Kindergarten Movie Day. Movie Day was a day full of joy for our kindergarten kids. They brought popcorn, sat with their friends, and enjoyed a magical movie experience with their friends in the classrooms.
Parts of the day activity. On 28 July, our tiny tots from kindergarten had a fun learning activity about the parts of the day. With stories and games, they discovered what makes mornings, afternoons, evenings, and nights so special. Students honored by the District Commissioner Hoshiarpur. Proud moment. Two students, Mankaran Kaur and Shisha Gupta, were honored by the DC Ma'am Ashika Jain. They received the Chadda Suraj Award for their contribution in education and spreading awareness against drugs. A big congratulations.
100% scholarship for Aratrika Sharma. A huge round of applause for Aratrika Sharma, a student of class 10 who scored 98.2% in her CBSE board exams. She received a cash prize of 10,000 rupees and a 100% scholarship from the management in appreciation to her hard work.
NCC camp participation. On 5th July, our brave NCC cadets returned back from annual NCC camp held at Riyadh Bara Institutes. They learned discipline, leadership and teamwork. Principal Sir honored them with certificates on their proud return.
Teen celebration in BIS. On 1st of August, students celebrated Teej with colorful Punjabi kutis, Gidda, Bhangra and Bolia, spreading culture and joy all across our campus. And on 4th of August, students from grade 4 to 12 celebrated Teej with equal enthusiasm, using folk dances, cultural performances, etc.
Shri Sukhmani Sahib Path. A spiritual event was held at school on the 15th of July with the recitation of Shri Sukhmani Sahib Ji. Teachers and students joined together in prayer for peace, unity and blessings for the school and our society.
Best out of waste activity. Grade 4 students turned trash into treasure in the best out of waste activity. Learning creativity with any cooperative works. Stone painting activity. On 11 July, the students of grade 3 and 4 showed their amazing creativity through the stone painting activity. Ordinary stones were converted into beautiful artworks, a joyful blend of imagination and fun.
Raksha Bandhan celebration. From tying Rakis to sharing sweets, students from kindergarten to grade 3 celebrated Raksha Bandhan with love, laughter, and the true bond of siblings.
Workshop on 21st century teaching skills. On 3rd of July, another inspiring teacher training session was held in collaboration with Gaurava Publications. Mrs. Shivani Agrawal led the session and she guided teachers and engaged them in critical thinking, creativity and NEP aligned practices using Johari's model and storytelling techniques.
Vegetable market activity. Our kindergarten students explored a colorful vegetable market set up in the school. They learned the names, colors and smells of the vegetable while understanding the healthy eating habits. Independence Day celebration. On 15th August, the 79th Independence Day was celebrated with flag hosting, cultural performances, patriotic songs and inspiring words of Director Sir and Principal Sir. We also had a cultural competition of the teaching staff to make the day more colorful.
Mango Day celebration in kindergarten. On 23rd of July, our kindergarten turned yellow for Mango Day. Students wore bright yellow clothes, brought mango-flavored treats and enjoyed fruity fun with their friends and teachers on this special day.
Tribute to our late chairperson, Mrs. Saroj Sula. On the 23rd of August, the school family remembered and celebrated the heavenly birthday of our late chairperson, Mrs. Saroj Sula, honoring her legacy of love, vision and inspiration.
SOF Zonal Olympiad Achievements. On 20th August, 44 students of our school won zonal level medals of excellence in this event. Special applauses for Jasmine Singh and Surbhi Bhunia, who won silver medals of excellence and a cash prize of ₹2,500 each.
Janmashtami celebration. On 19th August, our little Krishnas and Radhas from KG to grade 2 brought devotion and joy through their dance performances, aarti and celebrations of Sri Krishna Janmashtami.
Birthday celebration of our directors. The birthdays of our directors, Mr. Amit Tola and Mr. Anuj Tola, were celebrated on 29th and 31st of August, respectively. The day was filled with gratitude, happiness, and unforgettable memories. A perfect reminder that celebrations are the best when shared with loved ones.
Gold in Courage Championship. On 21st of August, Lakshya Sharma of grade 5 made us all very proud by winning gold at the State Sub-Juniors Courage Championship at Ludhiana.